Cashews. Did you know these incredible snack nuts are actually seeds?
What?
Yep, they're found on the cashew fruit tree, which is native to South America. Aside from their popularity as a snack nut, they also make a great creamy plant-based cheese sauce, perfect for pastas and especially nachos. Now, cashew cheese is actually really easy to make at home, which is why it's so popular. As long as you have a blender, nutritional yeast, and of course, cashews, you can make this in little to no time. The one that we're gonna show you in this video is perfect for loaded nachos or as a simple queso dip. I hope you got your chips ready, because we about to get into it. So we're gonna be using this cheese for some plant-based loaded nachos that we're gonna make. And here are the ingredients for our cashew cheese. We have our whole roasted cashews, as well as some nutritional yeast, cumin, smoked paprika, fresh garlic, and some chipotle peppers in the adobo sauce. So first we're gonna pre-prep our cashew cheese by adding 2.5 cups of cashews into our Vitamix, and then we're gonna add some warm water and let this soak for at least 20 minutes. You can also pour boiling hot water and let it soak for 5 minutes. This will really help to soften up the cashews. Now that our cashews are soaked, we're going to be adding 3/4 cup of nutritional yeast and then a half tablespoon each of smoked paprika and cumin. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 of a chipotle pepper plus some of the adobo sauce that it's in, 2 cloves of garlic, and then optional garlic powder. I mean, hey, we just like garlic powder, y'all, plus some black pepper. We're gonna let this blend for at least a couple minutes. What's cool about the Vitamix is that it actually heats the cheese up for you, which is really convenient. And when you look at that, that's that nice smooth texture that we want. You can taste and adjust the flavorings as you desire. If you want more heat, add more chipotle peppers. If you want more cheesy flavor, add more nutritional yeast, so on and so forth. And here we are, folks. This cheese pours magnificently. This is what we call the lava effect, where the cheese just oozes everywhere. So good, so delicious. This will not disappoint you. And you can easily store the rest in the fridge for up to 7 days so that you can enjoy it later. You can put this on veggies or anything you like. Now, the loaded nachos that we used this cheese for were amazing, y'all. Trust me, you'll want to see the full recipe. So click on this video here in the top right to check that out, and we'll see you over there. Peace.